First, representing Gigi. Gigi from Masisiya. What you represent? What you represent? Representing Korea. Let's go. Let's go, Korea.
Go, Korea. At nag-live tayo.
Oh. Mag-live ka? First pattern. Which one our first pattern?
I only draw one pattern.
Oh, so let's... Which one? Anong pattern natin una?
First, ano ba? Basic lang muna.
Itulip muna natin.
First tulip. Second pattern, Rosetta. Third pattern, ano ba?
Swan.
Swan. Three.
Let's go.
I didn't try this tulip. Ang I know tulip.
You will make next. You will make next. Yeah. If she make a tulip now, you will make tulip also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Not only 1% was the tulip.
No, yeah.
After me, it's Shakti tulip.
Yeah. Let's go, Gigi.
Okay, Gigi. Throw down my stuff. Okay. Throw down, don't cafe. Okay na yun.
Oh, makalit na yan. Oh.
First round, tulip.
Representing Korea
Tulip?
by Gigi.
Nietzsche!
So, tulip first round. Second round, from where? Representing what? Myanmar, let's go. Shakti, hold this one.
Yan by for me very small cup. If no need to throw for me other. No, I think it is.
No, check pa rin. This one already color. Kay Juliet. Tulip first round.
And more like Stanley.
Tulip Nancy, Tulip ha?
First round.
Tulip first round. Tulip.
Yeah, head no control now. If the head no control, go into it.
Shout out to Dam.
There you go. Doing this.
Let's go.
Okay, first round, tulip.
Shaking my hand.
Okay, put that.
Why shaking my hand?
Ella, master. Who is win first? Because we need to cup.
You need it one more, one step.
Who is win?
Yeah,
Who is win?
Same, my balance.
Game 1, 2,
Sandy.
3. Sandy win. Okay, this one.
Sandy. Throw.
Need to.
Yeah, throw this one.
Huh?
Later.
May fighting. Shout out Shakti. Representing what?
India.
India, let's go. Let's go, India. Ay, hold this one.
Hold this one, master. Hold this one. I take one.
Yeah, what you do? Put this. I'm late.
small का वो हो गया small में दुख नहीं है क्या
Waiting for judges, ha? Waiting. Waiting for judges. A game. Who is win? 1, 2, 3. Again. Order. Wait.
Second round.
Second round.
Bombay
Bombay.
Siyempre pala wala second round di prepa
Salamat alaikum.
Representative Bukola. Lisa. Sabi ko, Lisa.
Let's go. Too much serious.
Yun.
Black se और से करा
Rosetta, second round na.
Shout out Pin Yadanar Sue. Hello Sue.
We're going to Diana.
Which pattern?
Rosetta.
Okay, Rosetta, let's go. Rosetta.
Second round, Rosetta. Wow! Ang lupit! Oh, sana all!
faster I will get at the first
Number 1, Sandy! Sana all!
Let's go. We have Gigi.
Oh, Gigi! Where's the... Ano? Same country again?
no
What country?
Korea na
Usa.
What country?
Grabe naman yun ah.
Grabe naman yan. Explain. Representing USA!
Today is Sunday day.
It's not this one house. Saan mo naman wala what? Supporting too. Ayaw.
Otaku. I'm hungry. That's why I got this one.
How much serious? Let's go Gigi. Represent the USA.
Let's go, my daughter.
Daughter, younger daughter.
Let's go.
First timers.
Unlike woman natin.
First timing is good. So the flow is good.
Speaking consistent. Master in spelling. That's why you have it.
Wow, ang lupit! Here, make it here.
Shakping, you the third one.
The third one. Hindi kailangan na siya ng cup. Wait lang, mamili muna tayo. Hindi nyo basta meron.
Yeah, the cup, no?
Ikaw na tayo sa kikilan. Who is win? Game ah. 1, win.
Yan na. Ayun na.
Hindi
Let's
yung
go.
cup niya. Ano muna tayo? Wala siyang cup. One.
Ay, sige. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go out, go. Okay. Yeah, because
Mali.
Why we choose Sunday? Because this one is clean. And this one on there's some spacing. Look the spacing here and here. Right. It's near on the heat. the face.
And the wiggle is the Sandy.
Yeah.
Clear.
Very clean.
Okay, throw this one.
Okay.
Sandy, game. Tell me yan, Sandy! Yala! Oh, baby!
Ano master pa? Ano little what?
Yeah, this is
The color, no? The
Yeah, this one is clarity, no?
It's good. Number one. Let's go.
Yara Shakti Bai. Hindi ba ako ba? Indian again? What shoes, eh?
Next throw down.
Let's go, Shakti. Rosetta.
Apa, don't pa pass.
What you can say to Shakti soon? Good luck.
He will kill you. Steam na. Finish. Where's the, the big. Shala, professional barista.
Shakti fighting.
Shakti fighting. Shakti fighting.
Shakti Singh Rana fighting.
Let's go. The quarter.
We're lucky, huh? We can practice a weekend competition.
Let's go, Shakti.
Let's go. Shakti. Number one idol.
Go, Shakti. Number one. Zeta.
Up.
School.
No, but it's third time, no? It's different from before, no? Right? So, okay. Gigi, you come.
Okay. Who is win? Sue.
Which one?
Which one? Sue.
Okay.
Nasa pa siya eh.
Tara na.
Shakti man,
Tara na,
sige.
basta. Pili na tayo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Asan ka wag natin game ulit.
One, two, three. Sunday winner again.
Only 5 na yan.
10 round.
Third round.
5
You give me 5.
Okay.
Okay, third round.
Last. This one, ano?
Ano ba third round natin?
Oh.
Teacher
Ano
mo
to?
first.
Ano yung third round
Swan.
natin? Swan.
Swan naman. Sure na to eh. Kasi panahon na si Sandy.
Para lang meron silang ano.
Sige, let's go.
Oo, makita lang natin.
Nakuha Ladley at Sandy. Ay, stop mo muna.
Nangangailangan
Para
eh.
hindi ma-fall.
Come.
Next week.
Shakti
So,
fighting.
so we have throwdown again next week,
Shakti is
Shakti, Sue, Mimi, and then Gigi.
Let's go.
And then your judges, Sandy.
Sandy. Defending champion. Ay, andun na. Come here, come here. Ay, sige. May mga dumating. Let's go. Galing na nila wiggle. Galing na nila mag-wiggle. Uy.
See, mine that again, another. It's too much nut. Like too much weight. That's why.
Okay.
It's already flat.
Swan flying.
Saka
Puro final pattern lang pala.
Ano, final, di ba?
Final pattern.
Final.
Ano ba? Swan? Swan, let's go. Final pattern, Swan. Ganda mo ng camera, Nan.
Okay, so don't worry. Next time with you, Ian teaching you. What do you want? You want horse?
What you can say? Ito na.
Jack, I'm waiting you. You're professional swan.
Someone waiting for your Swan.
Yes, I'm waiting.
Okay. Someone waiting for your Swan. Let's go.
Go, Shakti.
Go, Shakti.
Control your hand. Left and right.
Right and left.
Right and left. Control. Wiggle.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Okay, Swan.
Okay.
Finish na si Shakti.
Shakti finish. Okay, check na. Waist win. Okay.
So for the Swan, who win?
One.
This one from the forest, this one from the...
1, 2, 3.
Him. Yeah, this one. Gigi.
Gigi win. Oh,
Okay.
Gigi.
Now-
You, now.
Throw this one now and next winner.
It's winner.
Gigi.
My song is from the forest, huh?
Sandy.
炫啊炫啊炫啊连嘛，炫啊被系列好。
Let's go.